bathroom, and today is another room tour because I haven't had time to do much since I am now I'm open water and advanced open water certified, but that's pretty much all I did last week. So if you want to see cool things, go to Bo's channel because he actually did stuff and I just swam with the fish. But look at our new front door. So I am the party of Mr. Beaudre, and apparently it is Christmas time here because they start in September. It's October 11th, but they're very festive, clearly. So come in. So it's a little bit of an upgrade from the last Airbnb, although I kind of missed the other Airbnb. It was cute in its own way. But we have fancy glasses here. So over here, we have our TV and our little welcome station. It has little slippers that they gave us, and toothbrushes. But the slippers, these are new. The other slippers are disgusting. I think they're a little worn, so we don't use those. We will probably not use those, but yeah. Look at our den area. We have a nice den area. It's okay. They look like benches, but they're more comfortable than they look, so it's nice over here. And then over here is our kitchen and our beautiful fridge. We have a very well-stocked fridge. It's super nice. Came with all this food, but it costs you pesos to eat the food, so I probably won't eat the food. But it looks nice, very aesthetic. And our little kitchen area where I'm trying to upload my other video, it's at 50%, so we're just gonna let that stay there. And over here is the actual kitchen part of our kitchen. Haven't really been in here, honestly. There's not a lot going on, but it's a cute little kitchen. We have a sink, you know how kitchens go. It's whatever. So yes, and this is supposed to be a bathroom, but it's broken. So yeah, so we'll go upstairs. The stairs are super steep, but the railings are really like short, and I'm 5'8", so it's really hard to reach the railings, but it's fine. So follow me up here, up our stairs. The first room is my room. It's a little tiny. I gave Bo the master bedroom, but it's nice, it's cute. We have a little fan. The air has to, there's not air conditioning in this room, but it's fine. There's a fan, we got a pretty picture. And yeah, I think this is supposed to be where your maid sleeps, but I like it anyway. It's fine. I can tell you about the price of this place, because that was super, super annoying, because Bo booked it through Airbnb, and we thought it was $30 a night, 15 each person. Turns out it's $30 per person. So even though he got the whole place, this little maid's quarter was also $30 a night. So a little annoying, but it does have air conditioning, so it's fine. I like the place, but a little annoying. So just so you know, don't book the solo traveler. Watch out for that because you get charged the same amount. Okay, back to the show. And over here, we have a bathroom with a shower. That's the most exciting part here. If you remember, we had a tableau in the last place with a bucket. Take some water and pour it into the toilet. And fun fact, some mosquitoes laid eggs in that bucket. So, Bo, it's fine. We cleaned it out. It's all good. Oh, Bo did. I did not know that's what mosquitoes did. So, anyway, it's all good now. Bo took care of the problem. And here is Bo's room, the master suite. It has air conditioning. It's very nice. And out here, can we go out here? Yeah. It's a balcony. Oops. Sorry about your tone. Oh, hi. So yeah, this is our beautiful balcony. Well, it's at Bo's room, so I don't really come out here much. And we have Christmas lights. Again, we are very festive in the Philippines. It is Christmas 24/7, starting in September, and it does not end. So that's great. Very easy to climb into your neighbor's balcony, but we won't do that. Yeah, just hop on over, go inside. not too bad. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It was lovely having you, but you can go. Those are very steep steps. So yeah, you can leave, and please don't come back.